Hello and welcome to this tutorial that will show you exactly how to go about eating a Kit Kat. Now we've got my assistant here who will be eating the Kit Kat, so we just need to wait for him to get the Kit Kat and then we can begin. He's scratching himself. I guess he's exercising his jaw. He's clicking, he's doing some sort of clicking. Just need to wait for him to get the Kit Kat and then we can begin. That's a tissue. It's blowing on the tissue. Well, I guess he has a cold, so you know, we can look past that. We can't help that. You know, people get colds from time to time, so you know, can't hold that against him. Just need to. He'll get the Kit Kat soon, I reckon. Just blowing his nose. Well, I think that's important, you know, health and safety and everything. So you don't want to get the food contaminated at all. He's back to scratching his neck and his chin. He's looking up. Okay, we just need to get the Kit Kat. Okay. He's thinking. Oh, okay, he's getting something. Here we go. So he's got a lot of Kit Kats to choose from. Make sure you've got your Kit Kat available with you, otherwise you won't be able to eat the Kit Kat. So he's pulled one of the Kit Kats out of the packet. It's a regular standard Kit Kat, it looks like. He's unwrapping the packaging. And he's unfoiling to reveal the chocolate. There's two chocolate fingers. And this is how to eat it. So you just put it all in your mouth, apparently. Just put the whole thing in. So he's closing his eyes, and now he's opening them. I think he's trying to enjoy the taste. So make sure you enjoy the taste when you eat it. That was done quite quickly. I was expecting him to take pieces off, to be honest, but no, just put the whole thing in. I mean, that could be a choking hazard, but he's just taken a big risk and gone for it. Doesn't appear to choke himself, so he got lucky. But no, he's enjoying it and he's getting through it. And I think he's done. So can we get a nice action replay of that? Okay, so there's no action replay, but you know, we can. We saw. He's back to blowing his nose. Must be quite a big cold he's got. Maybe you'll have another Kit Kat. No, he's blowing his nose again. Yeah, he will after he finishes blowing his nose, he might show us again how to eat another Kit Kat. No, more nose blowing. Okay, well, he saw the first time around how to eat a Kit Kat. So I guess that's all he'll be doing for us today. You can see he's still enjoying the taste of the Kit Kat. And yeah, so that's how to eat a Kit Kat, apparently. And yeah, he's cut off the footage, so I think that's it. Well, it was a pretty poor video, if you ask me. I mean, I don't know why anyone would click on this video, to be honest. You know, try to get someone to eat a Kit Kat. Maybe slow motion. You know, maybe there should have been a replay, but you know, we're stuck with that. Someone, you know, he's just blowing his nose most of the time. So I apologise for his behaviour. Hopefully, you know, you learned something on this video. Well, if you didn't know what a Kit Kat was, I guess you learned what it was. That's something. But yeah, again, I can only apologise for what you just witnessed. But thanks for watching, and just hope you don't sue me, to be honest, for you know, wasting your time. So yeah, thanks again.